Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Michael 500 today. I've got a pink folder thing where I keep my drawings in. Now I haven't done a drawing in about 2 years on my channel, but I have been improving a long time. But I haven't done it on my channel specifically. I've done like just gaming videos and stuff like that. But if you do want me to do actual like drawings and stuff, I can do that, guys. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any videos. Also, if you do want to see some, just leave a comment as well saying in my latest video you want me to do a drawing video. What I normally draw, I'll show you from what I did when I started, you know, from how good I've got. So let's point that way so you don't see any other drawings. Got a minute. I've only done a couple, but I took my time with it and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, I went over it in pen, which I shouldn't have done on this side of the face. But if I left it on that side and kind of blended it in a little bit, it would look better like this, you know. But that's my first drawing of well, that was actually my first drawing of the Terminator, but that was my first drawing to begin with. Yeah. Now the next one is, I don't know his real name, but it's out of a film called Kingsman and Animate 3 and all those good films. I think you might know who this guy is, but that's the actual guy. So that was my first pencil drawing. So yeah. Next we've got nothing. Just empty files. Right. So here is this is my most favourite one of all. Well, one of them. This is Deadpool. Now this is good. I think this is brilliant. This is my second. Oh god, you can see that there. It's my second pencil drawing. That took about 8 hours altogether. So yeah, I think you already saw this one. It's Tony Stark or Iron Man, either one. Just pencil drawing, just a quick sketch. Okay, right, the next one. This one is from Dragon Ball Z. It's Vegeta. Now this one, guys, is another pencil one. It's pretty good, I would say. It's I'm proud of it. So yeah, that's I'm proud of that. Can't flip it over. Okay, so this is Goku from Dragon Ball Super or GT or something. I think it's GT. So yeah. This one took about 8 hours as well. This is a pen drawing, or colouring in anyway. Pen, you know what I mean, like colouring in with pen stuff, blending in with pen. So yeah, this is pretty decent as well. Now, from when I drew this one, when I drew this one, I carried on with Dragon Ball, and I did come pretty good. So obviously I made a lot of mistakes. Some of them aren't finished, what I'm going to show you in a minute, but they will be finished, and I will show you a final result in another video. But before we get to the last two Dragon Ball drawings, I have got to show you one last drawing of a colouring pencil drawing, what I haven't finished off. Now, do you know the new Lion King that was coming out? The new Lion King, what might be in cinemas now, theatres? This is a very dark picture, or it's a quick sketch of Simba. This scene is when he's just looked up, like it's Mufasa, when he's like looked at the footprint, how big his footprint is with his dad's, and he's this small, and he looked up. Do you know when he looked up to the to his dad there? That scene in the trailer in the movie. I thought I'd just quick sketch that out, and it quick pricked out. It come out alright. So I'm not a good drawer at lions, but for a good start, that is pretty good. So so yeah, that's my lion picture of Simba. So as I said, guys, when we get to the last 2 Dragon Balls, so here we go. Okay, so this one is a obviously Vegeta. This is Vegeta Super Saiyan God, and we've got Goku, which is half God, Super Saiyan God, and half Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan. I thought I'd do this because it looked pretty decent with half of it, like Super Saiyan God, and this one Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan, because then it's, you know, and I did it like as if he was behind Vegeta with his hand in a fist, you know, as if it was teaming up. But I did do a mistake, as you already noticed anyway. The Vegeta's I think the clothing is the wrong colour. I think it was supposed to be blue or black, but I thought it was purple when it's transformed into that form. But I haven't finished it off. I could go over it, but it won't look right. So I might think about that one. But let me know how much you like this, guys, and how much you think I should approach this form of colouring for this drawing. I should have said just for this anyway, because it's purple. So for the last drawing, we've got this one, which I finished off yesterday. It is Lord Beerus from Dragon Ball Super, and this one is my best drawing of, well, anything so far. This is my top drawing, and this was pretty hard to draw, to be honest, guys. This was the hardest drawing I did in my life, obviously because it's my newest drawing, but it is a pen drawing, and well, obviously I sketched it out, pencil, and I coloured it in with pen. But yeah, I didn't do a background to this because I thought it might ruin it. But if I do, I'll straight final result anyway. But this is Lord Beerus, and as you can see, lots of colour in there. You got a lot of shadows and that with different pen. You got like shadows and highlights in the neck, and you know, it pretty much looks 3D, so that's what I was after, and it looks pretty good. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my drawings and stuff, I could do some sketching videos and stuff like that. If you do feel, well, if you do think I should do it, then please leave a comment. And then my latest videos uploading soon, or the latest video loaded now, or this video, whatever, and just let me know in a comment saying that I should do videos on this, or whatever, like drawings and whatever, you know, just like Dragon Ball, anything, and I'll try and draw it. But my best bet is this, like cartoons and stuff. But yeah, so I can say really. Hope you have an amazing day, guys. Stick around and have a nice time. Goodbye, guys.